Alrighty, section 5.4 vocab. We're going to talk about different forms of a line. Point slope is the one we're going to include right here, and I have some very specific rules for this, as well as the other forms of a line. So make sure you pay attention to what those rules are. I'm really a big stickler for that, especially in my quizzes and tests. So here we have point slope form, and again, it's y minus y1. Now the y is the generic y. The y1 is an actual coordinate. M is still the slope. Notice in parentheses, x, again that's the generic x, minus x1, that is a coordinate. And notice it's minus. So if I have minus 5 here, that means the y is positive 5. If I have minus 6 here, it's a positive x. It's positive 6. If I had a plus 4 here, that means it's actually a negative 4. If I had a plus 10 here, that's actually a positive 10. So pay attention to that. That's one of the places folks get hung up when they're doing this. So what that really looks like is if I have any given point, doesn't really matter. So if I have let's see, 10, 6, and I give you a slope of 4/3, you can easily turn that into point slope form of a line. And the great thing is it's easy to graph it too, because all you do is plug in this one point and then count your slope and plot another point, and boom, you're done. So what that looks like here is, so I've got my y, so I've got y minus 6 equals 4/3 times x minus 10. Now again, alternately, if those had been negative numbers, so if I gave you something like this instead, if I gave you negative 2 and 4, and I gave you a slope, so this was m over here, by the way, I gave you a slope of m equals negative 2. So I'll write this one in red so you can keep it separate. This would look like y minus 4 equals negative 2 times x plus 2. So you got to pay attention to that part. And again, not that I'm trying to trick you, but this is the point slope form of a line.